Yes, my people, today I'm going to show you how to do this cool visualizer silhouette blackout glow effect. This is where all your jewelry, watches, belts, glasses will just be kind of shining. Let's go, my people. Upload your footage onto Premiere Pro. You're going to go to the lumetri color and you're going to bring your saturation all the way down. Then you're going to go to your exposure and we're going to bring that down just a little bit till around, I'd say about minus 0.5. But when you're doing this, you can obviously explore. Contrast needs to go all the way up to 100%. Highlights will go up because you want them jewels to shine, or anything that's got highlights, we want it to shine. Bring your shadows all the way down and we're going to bring our blacks all the way down to minus 100. We're then going to touch our curves layer. What we're going to do is we're going to get a point near the bottom of our shadows and we're going to drag that all the way down so that all the shadows drop all the way down. And we're going to do the same, but more so in the highlights. So we're going to click a point there and we're going to drag all the way up. So as you can see, the highlights are really showing at this moment. So if I press play now, you're going to see this effect already working. As you can see, there you go. It's that cool kind of effect where you can see any highlights or any jewels really shining. What we now need to do is we're going to go into our effects and we're going to go to the Lumi key. We're going to drag that on our clip. I'm going to go to your effects panel and we're going to go to our threshold. We're going to bring that down to 80% and then our cutoff, we're going to increase till about 30%. Yes, my people, this is just a quick way to get this kind of cool effect. If you've liked what you've seen, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a blessed day, my people.